We're going to transcend them.
Transcend money or drugs or anything like that.
We gotta transcend the bullshit. And fast.
Surprise yourself so you can surprise the audience. Transcend.
Emerson, all the transcendentalists.
He will have a chance to transcend and
The pagans found transcendence through the joining of male to female.
Transcends value.
Your aura is looking very transcendent this morning.
Can transcend these things.
We're going to transcend them.
He has principles that transcend money or drugs or anything like that. He's not like you.
Slipping through them. We gotta transcend the bullshit. And fast.
But hey! No, it's also about letting go. Surprise yourself so you can surprise the audience. Transcendence. And very few have it in.
It's a collection of essays, actually. Fourier, Emerson, all the transcendentalists.
You got pictures?
over his own destiny. He will have a chance to transcend and to evolve with some equality for all.
Injury.
Why?
The pagans found transcendence through the joining of male to female.
People found God through sex.
Rules of exchange do not apply because grief transcends value.
A man would give.
Derry Brown, your aura is looking very transcendent this morning. Did you finally purge yourself of your superiority?
And if prayer can transcend these things, there's hope.
It's a thing of the spirit. It transcends this realm. It's yes?
No, I asked for boundless, transcendent. When you walk through a door in this building, you should say...
You almost did vomit.
I mean, there's nothing beautiful or transcendent about being human. Ultimately, it's just a filth.
Of beauty. A very British girl who transcended nationality. Someone with a natural...
Murder carries with it a moral imperative that transcends any notion of inherent universal free will?
Ah, that is...
Endlessly, the way an artist does. I see a transcendental beauty there. Beyond anything I could...
Existence beyond the realm of nature. For them, nothing transcends the human.
No.
They can't conceive.
And strange. Defying the physical, isn't it? Transcendent.
Yeah. It's Trelawney. What laws? Of man? The laws of nature transcend the laws of man. And I've transcended the laws of nature.
Of the individual. That life has meaning that transcends any man-made system. That love.
And there's nothing transcendent or divine about it.
Unless you believed you were going to save them. Evolution has yet to transcend that simple barrier. We can care deeply, selflessly.
The tourist and the beautiful widow would transcend their difficulties and travel places either by land or by sea.